How long till your birthday's Instagram change story? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this Instagram trending story right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen and then search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. And once you are here on my page, you have to click on trending at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so it's better to go to trending. So here you will find only viral stickers. You can also check these highlights right here. So go to trending, click until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. How long till your birthdays? So after that, you have to click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on this button, then you can check the first pinned comment where I already put a link to a video which shows you what to do if you are not able to click on the add yours button. So yeah, we have to go now to our uploads and choose a background photo. I will choose a photo with me. So I will go with this one, guys. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you can make your sticker bigger or smaller and place it where you want. And once you're happy with this, you have to go to stickers and then scroll down and go to countdown. So here I will click to create new, but you will not have this page. You will have it just like this. So here you have to add your countdown name. I will go with my birthday. And then you have to click on set and date and time. And after that, we have to choose an end date. So we have to search for our birthday. So I will go with this one, then click on the screen and then click done. So after that, we can place our sticker where we want and make it bigger or smaller. So yeah, but guys, once you're happy with it, you just have to click on share to, then click share to your story and then click on done. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.